Okay, so this is to clean out the uh, stuff in our sinuses. So we need a hairdryer on low setting, and we need a spray bottle with water in it. The water is going to be used to cool our face, and the hairdryer on low setting is going to be used to blow hot air into our sinuses, because hot air is an inhospitable environment. So this is how we do it. We've got to do it for 5 minutes. Inhale and then exhale. 5 minutes, do it twice with a 1 hour gap every day. If you already have an infection, then you do it 5 times. Low setting, cover, deep breaths. So the idea is to cool your face off every now and then. Inhale through the hairdryer, exhale with the hairdryer away from you, and do this for 5 minutes.